a flex and proper coming with a new delivery. On another level, yeah, my swagger's on infinity. When it comes to ripping tracks, you know I'm the epitome. Give the bless the word up with my musical ability. Switching up my flow so you know my versatility. Give the change the game and put a stop to the monotony. Bars after bars, yeah, you're gonna get a lot of. My words are like a weapon, I could murder you with similes. Instead of killing rappers on the grind is where I'd rather. Or chilling with some model chicks and clubbing up in Italy. Money on my mind, my ambition never quitting. About to spend some time formulating on a strategy. Opposition, they not pretty girls and actors. Them can't chat to me, them style whack to me. Cause every day it's like I just won the lottery.
Hey yo, you should spin that one more time.
Bring it on down. Rappers ain't gonna shit on me. Dope, I'm the epitome. You write 100 songs and wouldn't add up to my history. All your life is misery. Shouldn't be a mystery how I can keep them coming. Got my main bitch pissed at me. I make them play, it's too high to remember names. And one and out the other, man, I'm living in a haze. No, I'm living in a cage. New bars in my mind, there's a war going on. And every night I'm getting new bar, new car, new house, new spouse. Shouldn't be the goals and what this rapping shit about. Take a look around the game and who real, who you feel, who been getting overplayed, who been waiting on a deal like me. Fuck it, I'll just do it myself. You can do it for the label when you sit on the shelf. I'm next level, hotter than a kettle on a stove. Getting high, getting stoned, and these dudes wanna. I'm moving right along, I'm never looking backwards. Every time I rhyme, I'm on point like clockwork. Ain't got a rolling, ain't even seen me on you blow. She heard me spitting, now she thinking that you blow. Back up, bitch, rhymers get too close. I got her saying that I'm sweet, glucose. But fuck that, I'm steady spitting some propane. They screaming towels, they don't even know my own name. Moving on, love goes, clothes change. I'm in the game and steady paving my own lane. So get the spray paint, ready to mark the road. Ready to rock and roll, ready to cock and blow. Lines flowing out the mouth like a pistol. A dark game like I'm working out in Bristol. Tell them I got mine. These itty bitty stars ain't even in my sky. Got her in white linens. If Nas wrote the Bible, I wasn't born sinning. Cause I've been doing this shit, working like a piston, blowing like my wristlet, ride like a fish stick. I'm a ghost, I'm only spitting on dead beats and having 10 freaks rolling around in my bed sheets. And yeah, they know me around the city, and I'm hopping off the mic and then passing it off the jiggy end.
I got the style they ain't heard in a while. Do the talking, do the sound, kill them all with a smile. Made a mark up in the ground every step of the mile. Now I'm spitting out these rounds at these suckers and clowns. It's like good black pow when I step in the booth. You made a diss track? Wow, you resemble the youth that I've been killing on the microphone. Soon as I write my poem, then I don't care if you've been liking tone or not. I came to rock, and when I'm in the spot, I proceed to make it hot. Yeah, I show them what I got, but if it ain't a lot, then I move to the next. I want more than a couple of checks, I want respect. So you should pay it where it's due. If not, I'm skating on you like a Mario Lemieux. And yeah, I keep it cold on the cut like it's blade on ice. I bet they say I'm nice and I can bring it on down. Yeah, kinda like a Shaq Duncan 94. That's why she opens up quicker than a sliding door. You don't believe me? Don't make me prove that shit. A heavy girl coming up to you like, who's that kid? You'll be lying like, I don't know. When I know you know that I'm the one who's got that flow. And I can rip it, break it down and flip it. Mix it up like I was shaking something up and sip it. I live it and spit it out kinda like it's nothing. Cooking up that hot shit, fresh about the oven. I do it for the game, I do it for the love. I do it for the record, I can never get enough of it. And when I'm on the track with my homies Mark Hardy and Funk Towers, I do it like no other till the rest are like, what now? I gun down, coin rappers up in the stew. It's Jiggy Tone and you better salute.